Hello, I'm William Mills, author of Art, Science, Art, Reframing Art to be More Compatible with Science. This book was 17 years in the making, but I've been thinking about the problem that led to me writing this book for more than a quarter of a century. The problem? A huge disconnect between our understanding of what science is and what art is. This problem leads to anti-science, anti-intellectualism from one end, and lack of respect for art's influence from the other end. And it's gotten worse in recent years. I aim to bridge this gap. This book is available as an iBook for macOS and iOS, containing over 100 infographics to illustrate the concepts discussed. This series of videos is to animate some of those infographics for kinetic enhancement. This first video illustrates 4 different frames of mind when considering the difference between art and science. The Figure 1a frame of mind is the one that I suspect is most common. I call it the silos frame, the frame of mind that sees science and art as completely opposite and mutually exclusive. It also sees any other discipline related to either art or science as discrete entities that don't mix. They just bounce off each other like marbles when one has influence over the other. This overly digitized frame is the least accurate for describing the relationship between science and art. The Figure 1b frame of mind is a bit more accurate because it knows that there's some overlap between science and art, even if it doesn't know exactly what's in the overlap. It only falls short by assuming that there are elements unique to science that aren't also elements of art. I call it the intersection frame of mind. The overlap in the intersection is fuzzy and vague. The Figure 1c frame of mind takes the overlap frame of mind too far by assuming everything is fuzzy, and that there's virtually no difference between science and art. It's the overly holistic and vague frame of mind. It's as lazy as it gets. The whole theory of this book is based on the Figure 1d subset frame of mind. It recognizes that there is overlap between science and art, but it doesn't have to be so fuzzy that we can't make distinctions. It also goes further than the intersection frame of mind by discovering elements and applying set theory instead of just guessing about the overlap. The elements are the key. Throughout the book, I use these colors consistently in colorful models to talk about disciplines, elements, and concepts. I hope you enjoy the videos and provide critical feedback. Ebooks will continually be updated based on feedback that I find to be both accurate and relevant. It's available now on iBook stores. I plan to release more edited and less graphical versions as Amazon Kindle books. Thanks for watching.